Hi, Papa.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad. How are you?
No, not like that. I actually want to ask you, how are you? कैसे हैं आप?
I'm asking you because मैंने कभी आपसे पूछा ही नहीं. Never.
Maybe because I was a bit scared of you as a child.
आप थे इतने strict.
बात पे मुझे डांट देते थे.
अब चाहे वो पढ़ाई को लेकर हो,
चाहे वो रात को देर तक जागने की वजह से या फिर सुबह देर तक सोने की वजह से,
कभी कभी इधर उधर घूमने के कारण, तो कभी कभी घर के बाहर खड़े होकर दोस्तों से बातें करने के कारण. और मेरे दोस्त, let's not even talk about them.
आपको तो कभी पसंद ही नहीं आया. सबके सब आपको आवारा लगते थे जो मुझे बिगाड़ देंगे.
I never felt that close to you.
I mean, how could I? You never showed your emotions in front of me.
You were always like this. The strong person who can never be affected by anything in this world.
Ups and downs, highs and lows. आप हमेशा वैसे ही थे.
Rigid, unmoved. मुझे आज भी याद है जिस दिन मेरे एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स का रिजल्ट आया था. You were about to leave for your office. ईशान ने मुझे फोन पर रिजल्ट बताया और जैसे ही सबको पता चला that I have cleared it.
माँ, दीदी, भैया, सोनू सब लोग खुशी से नाचने लग गए थे.
आस पड़ोस को बताने लगे, मिठाइयां बांटने लगे. माँ तो खुशी से रोने लग गई. पर आप, you just came up to me with a smiling face and said, "Congratulations, well done." And you left for work. That annoyed me a little.
I mean, हमेशा इतना नपा-तुला बिहेव करने की क्या जरूरत है?
एंड शायद इसीलिए I never felt close to you.
I never felt like asking you, how are you?
And मैं आपसे क्या पूछूं कि आप कैसे हो? अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम होगी तो आप थोड़ी मुझे बताने वाले हैं.
और अगर आपने मुझे बता भी दिया तो मैं क्या ही कर लूंगा.
I mean, it's you who has solved all my problems.
Who has an answer to all my questions?
Who knows what is right and what is wrong?
And if you cannot figure it out, then how would I?
But last time when you visited, something different happened.
You asked me to book your tickets because the online booking portal was too complicated for you to understand. Even जब आप यहाँ थे, तो मुझे देर तक जागने के लिए आपने कभी नहीं टोका और ना ही सुबह जल्दी उठने के लिए कहा.
घर से पास वाले पार्क का रास्ता आपने मुझसे 5 बार पूछा होगा. But still you didn't go for your morning walk because you were scared that you would be lost. I was surprised.
But what shook me was the sadness and the tinge of tear in your eyes when you were leaving.
My dad? मेरे पापा की आंखों में आंसू? Because वो मुझसे दूर जा रहे हैं?
This is not you. This is not my father.
My father never cries.
He's not emotional.
He's strong, strict and tough.
आपकी यही चीजें मुझे बचपन से पसंद नहीं थी, पर अब इन चीजों का ना होना मुझे खटक रहा है.
The fact that you are not strong anymore is making me weak.
Knowing that you won't be able to solve all my problems is making me feel insecure.
And the fact that now you might need my help for doing as simple a task as booking an online ticket makes me feel responsible. अब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप पहले जैसे थे वैसे ही अच्छे थे.
Probably that is how a father is supposed to be. That is a father's role in a child's life.
To make us strong, to make us independent.
To make us tough. To prepare us for challenges of life. And to keep us grounded when we overcome them.
That was your role. And you have done it perfectly.
और अब मेरी बारी. मेरी बारी है आपका ख्याल रखने की.
अब मेरी बारी है अपना रोल निभाने की.
Now it's my turn to take all your responsibilities and solve all your problems.
I know your problems will be nothing as compared to what I used to pose in front of you. I know I wouldn't even have to work half as hard as you have done to make me what I am today.
But however small my part might be, I will play it with full conviction.
That's what I have learned from you.
So इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि शुरुआत एक सवाल से करते हैं जो मैंने आपसे कभी नहीं पूछा. डैड, कैसे हैं आप?
How are you?
How are you, Dad?
How are you?